the K family, and today we're gonna go to a special trip and we're gonna go to the feeding zoo so we can feed some animals. And this is my baby brother Josiah, one of the twins. Joanna wants to see ducks and cows.
And because you always say moo moo.
Yeah, ducky.
You're not allowed to touch, huh?
Joe, want to see a monkey? Because the twins never saw like these type of animals before.
Yeah.
They only saw like dogs. That's
and
the
they
only
only
animal
saw it inside their movies
yeah,
that
they
they
only
watch.
see fake like animals in their baby stuff.
Yeah. And
Are those wild? To enter and we have a food bowl and I like to feed the zebras. And I'm so scared.
this smells horrible.
But this is how the food looks like. It looks like poop.
The plastic on this, it looks like on the side.
Elyon, how do you feel?
I'm feeling nervous, but I've been nervous when I was only 3 years old, and then I went to the zoo.
But we didn't feed it.
Yeah, but
guys, this is how our food looks like. It's really disgusting.
it smells horrible.
This is how it looks.
There is just my horrible.
So,
That's a big one.
so I see a big cow. There's so many big cows. I'm gonna show you. To drive. Oh my gosh.
Jojo, look. Jojo,
Jojo Moo.
look, moo moo.
Oh my goodness.
Wanna feed them?
Yeah. Finally, it's my chance.
More like that.
That's a big one.
Feed it with your hands so it won't take your bucket.
Close, close.
Oh my god. That thing is a giant.
Oh my gosh. I can't feed no more.
Close the window.
It went on my bra. And he spit on me. Dang.
Oh my god. Elyon, here.
No, you can have it. Let's both share this one.
Oh my god.
That one was so crazy.
Wait.
That one was a ginormous.
He just made a mess. I'm never going over here no more.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, guys, look how many he spilled.
This one, this one might bite me when I'm trying to feed the other ones. Turtle is doing it.
Okay, stop.
Dun, 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 dun.
This one your grandma or grandpa?
That's a grandpa. Australia has dangerous animals. No, this one again. There's a big Australian bird over there, and my dad said we're gonna challenge it. But I'm so scared of these animals because of what happened to Elyon and all her stuff spilled. And those birds with the red eyes that was on my dad's windows, that really scared me.
I wanna go.
He just ignored us. He like,
Go away.
small picky. And there's bulls everywhere taking a shower. Oh yeah, you took a bath. I think you're doing catwalk.
Can I see them?
Should I please allow her, even though they can spit out people?
Guys, I'm so scared, and I really want to feed a bear, but I'm too scared for myself.
So guys, so far I fed 2 animals, and I'm really happy about it. Wait, 3?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I fed 3 animals, and I'm really happy about it. And I just don't want to feed the cows or bulls because they look so big. And what happened to Elyon, it will haunt me for days. And comment down below what's your favorite animal, Daddy behind you. So we have made it to the exit, and it was fun experience. You guys should come to this place. It's really fun.
And thank you guys for watching, and make sure you guys click the subscribe button, turn on the notification, and give us a huge thumbs up.